mess up, do not hold it against us. We're going to start over because we're going to catch up, okay? That's what happens when you create dances the 2 days before an event. But we got this. So the name of this dance is called On the Same Page. Okay? And this is by me and Julie. Okay? So the first part of this dance, y'all know these steps. So I'm so short. Do y'all want me to stand on the speaker? Oh, okay. Because I will. Okay. Jansen, how strong is your speaker? Can it hold 200? Okay. So the first part of the dance, it's gonna start on your right. This whole dance is gonna be a right side dance, okay? So start on the right. The first part is right, left, double right, left, right, double left, hook right, hook left, shuffle right, left, left. And y'all got that. I know y'all did. Okay, so let's do it. We're gonna do that's all in the first part. We're going to do it front and back. All right? 5, 6, shuffle to the right. It's right, left, double right. And left, right, double left. Hook right, hook left. Shuffle right, left. It's right, left, double right. And left, right, double left. Hook right, hook left. Shuffle right, left. We good? I knew y'all had it. See, y'all are causing me less stress this morning. Okay, so this is the second part of the dance. The second part of the dance is going to be a dig. So it's dig right, take it back and back. Dig left, take it back and back. We good? I'm going to finish the second part of the dance out because I know y'all got that. So we're going to dig right, back and back, dig left, back and back, drag right, drag left, drag right, drag left. Bam! Part 2. Let's do part 2. Okay? Let's dig. 5, 6, dig it to the right. Dig right. Take it back and back. Dig left. Take it back and back. Drag right. Drag left. Drag right. And do it again. Dig right. Take it back and back. Dig left. Take it back and back. Drag right. Drag left. Drag right. Drag left. That's part 2. We're going to do 1 and 2 together, okay? All right. Jansen, let's do it with the music. I like to feel the music a little bit. And they got some bass in it. Turn the bass up, Jansen. And this dance starts like at a funny time. So when I say go, just go, honey. Right now. So it's heel, toe, chop, chop. In, heel, toe, left, right, left. Okay? Y'all got that? So after we heel, toe, 2, 3, heel, toe, 1, 2, 3. On your right is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and tap. 1, 2, 3, 4. And if you do not want to turn, it's heel, toe, 1, 2, 3. Heel, toe, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and tap in 1, 2, 3, 4. Everybody can't turn, and that's okay. Okay, so we can modify turn or not. Okay, so we're gonna do that part. Heel, toe, 5, 6, heel, toe on the right. It's heel, toe, right, left, right. Heel, toe, left, right, left. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and tap. 1, 2, 3, do it again. heel, toe, 1, 2, 3. Heel, toe, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and tap, and 1, 2, the dance start over. Okay? You just learn all 3 parts. We just have it on the tag. We're gonna do all 3 parts, okay? All the way through. So we know we got it, then I'll teach the tag, okay? So the first part, we going to the right. 5, 6, take it on the right. It's right, left, double right, and left, right, double left, hook right, hook left, shuffle 1, 2, 3, 4. It's right, left, double right, and left, right, double left, hook right, hook left, shuffle 1, 2, 3, 4. Dig right. Take it back and back. Dig left. Take it back and back. Drag right. Drag left. Drag right. Drag left. Do it again. It's right. Take it back and back to left. Take it back and back. Drag right and left and right and left. And we got a heel, toe. 1, 2, 3. Heel, toe. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And tap. Take it 1, 2, 3, 4. It's heel, toe, 1, 2, 3. Heel, toe, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And tap, and 1, 2. We finish with the dance, okay? Y'all feel good, see? Okay, the tag. So this dance we do all 3 rotations. We're gonna do part 1, 2, and 3, part 1, 2, and 3, back to back. And then after you do it back to back, there's gonna be a bridge. We only do it 1 time in the dance, because the song is not long. So we do it 1 time, and then you're gonna end the dance with the part 1, with that right, left, double right. You know what I'm saying? So this is the bridge. Okay. So the bridge is right, left, tap, out. Sailor right, sailor left. Okay? 5, 6, take it on the right. Right, left, tap, out, sailor right, sailor left. You're gonna do pivot, turn, roll right, roll left. I just did it so y'all can feel it. We're gonna do it though, okay? 5, 6, take it on the right. It's right, left, tap, out, sailor right, sailor left. Give me 2 pivot, turn, roll right, roll left. One more time. So you roll however you want to roll. Okay? So roll and roll. Yeah. So you roll with a lift, roll with a lift. Or you're going to step, roll. Okay? However you can roll. Okay? So, we want everybody here to roll. So roll how you want.
Which way you rolling, Sheena?
We're going to follow Sheena on the roll. Okay? All right, so let's go. Let's do the bridge, okay? 5, 6, take it on the right. It's right, left, tap out. It's sailor right, sailor left, 2 pivot, turn. Do the Sheena. Do it again. Right, left, tap out, right behind. Pivot, turn, and roll it like Sheena. Thank you. Okay? Sometimes folks get a part to your dance, see? Okay, so let's run through the whole dance and then we'll play the music. That's it, okay? So we're going to do all 3 parts twice. Then we're going to do the tag, okay? The last part of the dance, let me just, so I won't get lost, because I get lost fast. The last part of the dance is just right, left, double right. Left, right, double left, that part 1, hook right, hook left, shuffle right, left, left. And then we do it on the back, and then the dance is gonna end. That's how we end it, okay? So let's start from part 1 with the right to the right. 5, 6, take it to the right, shuffle right, left, double right, and left, right, double left, hook right, hook left, and shuffle. 1, 2, 3, 4. It's right, left, double right, and left, right, double left, hook right, hook left, shuffle. 1, 2, dig it to the right, it's dig. 1, 2, 3, and dig. 1, 2, 3, drag right, and left, and right, and do it again, it's dig. 1, 2, 3, it's dig. 1, 2, 3, drag right, drag left, drag right, and left. Heel, toe, it's heel, toe. 1, 2, 3, heel, toe. 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and tap. Take it right, left, left. It's heel, toe. It's heel, toe. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and tap. And 1, 2, then start over, okay? So we're gonna skip the second part. Let's just do the bridge. Because we know we do all of that twice, back to back. So let's make sure we got the bridge, okay? So the bridge, start on the right, 5, 6, take it up on the right. Right, left, tap, out is sailor right, sailor left, 2 pivot turns. Roll right, roll left, do it again. Right, left, tap, out, sailor right, sailor left, pivot turn. Roll right, roll left. Jansen, play the music, they got this. We good. The name of this dance is called On the Same Page. But me and my sister on the same page sometimes, so that's why we did it. Okay, good. Look at me when it starts. 5, 6, 7 to the right. It's right. Left, double right. Left, right, double left. Hook right. Shuffle right, left, do it again. It's right, left, double right. And left, right, double left. Hook right, hook left, shuffle right. Let's dig it out. It's dig. Take it back. It's dig. Take it out. Drag it out. It's right and left and right and left. Dig it out. It's dig. Take it back. And dig. Take it back. Drag it out. And 2 and 3. Heel toe. Heel toe. Run it up. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And tap. Take it up. 2, 3. Heel toe. And heel toe. It's heel toe. Do it again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And tap. To the top. Right. Double right. Left. Double left. Hook it out. Double right. Left. One more time. It's right. Left. Double right. Left. Right. Double left. Hook right. Hook left. Heel toe. Heel toe. Bring it back. Heel toe. Drag it out. Do it again. Dig right. Oh, I'm sorry, y'all. Don't do what I say. Look at my feet. Look at my feet. Here we go. Heel toe. There we go. Heel toe. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and tap. It's heel toe. It's heel toe. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now we're gonna do the bridge. Run it up. Right, left, tap, up. Sailor right. Sailor left. Pivot turn. Roll right. Do it again.